What's up, guys? Ryan Blakely here from District Coaching Concepts, and I am so freaking hyped right now. I cannot wait to drop this IGTV video for you guys because we're gonna talk about setting yourself up for success when it comes in terms of meal prepping. So, as you can see here, I have 3 glass containers set up across this counter. We'll talk about the ISO bag here in a second. In each one of these 3 glass containers is a little bit of food. I have 6 pounds of chicken, 1 whole flank steak, and 3 cups, this is 3 cups dry of jasmine rice. Obviously it's cooked in the bowl, but it was measured 3 cups dry. So these are basically my 3 staples throughout the week. So I wanna talk to you guys a little bit about kind of why I prep these the way that I do, and then how it sets me up for success for the week. So, if you remember the last IGT video that we dropped, it talked about how I flavor my foods with the jalapenos, the peppers, the onions, all that fun stuff. And it led to a lot of questions. It led to a lot of people asking me, what do I do for the week? How do I cook my meals? Do I cook them meal by meal? Do I cook them one time during the week? How do I do that? And the answer is simple, guys. I meal prep about 2 times a week, usually on Sundays and Wednesdays. So what I do on Sunday evening is I sit down with my Fitness Pal, I take the foods that I wanna have for the week, I program them all out into my meals. And to be honest with you guys, I'm a huge creature of habit. So I literally every week it's the same damn foods, okay? So what I do at that point, I have all my meals already pre-planned so I know what I'm having each day of the week. And then what I do is I prep them. So for chicken, I throw them in the crock pot, I let them cook overnight. It brings the chicken out like this, so you get some shredded chicken. This is freaking the best way to do your chicken, guys, and I'll do another video on that at some point as well, because this right here is freaking a game changer. I do cook it dry, so that way I'm able to season it with whatever I want for each meal. I usually have chicken probably 3 out of my 6 meals throughout the day, and I probably either flavor it the same or I might just flavor it differently, obviously, but when it's plain and bland like that, you have the option to kind of flavor it however you want. So that's exactly how I prefer to have my chicken. So just a little kind of tip for you guys, cook it plain. Right here, you'll see I have a full flank steak in here that I cooked. This was actually cooked in the air fryer. It took 15 minutes, guys, 15 minutes in the air fryer, and this will last me about 3 meals out of the week, which I only have flank steak 1 meal a day. If I don't do flank steak, I do 93.7 lean ground beef, and that's super easy to cook on the stove. So guys, none of this stuff takes a lot of time. This is very time efficient. Then here, like I talked about, I had 3 cups dry of jasmine rice that I actually cooked in the rice cooker. That probably took about 13 minutes maybe. So again, very short, very quick, very effective way to meal prep with your rice. So what I do at that point, guys, once I have all these meals or all this food cooked, I put them in their little glass containers, I put the lids on them, I put them in the refrigerator, and then I'm golden. At that point throughout the week, as my meal comes up, I'm not trying to rush around figuring out what I'm gonna eat, trying to cook something, trying to run behind on time, just stressing myself out. I literally go to the refrigerator, I pull out my chicken, I weigh it, I get my 5 ounces of chicken. Then I'll usually come over here, get my rice, put in 200 grams of rice, and I'm good for the meal. That literally took me 3 seconds to put that meal together. I heat it up and I'm on the move. So this is a very, very fast and effective way to prep for the week. However, if you don't implement these meals during the days of your week, you're gonna set yourself up for failure. So make sure that when you take the time to prep, you take the time to use them. Another thing that I highly recommend when it comes to prepping for the week is getting yourself an ISO bag, a 6-pack bag, any type of meal bag, because this is going to be a game changer for you. This will be a lifesaver. There's another IGTV video that I did where it talks about how to prepare your bag. I highly recommend you guys take a look at that as well if you purchase one of these. Every one of these bags comes with these Tupperware containers that you see here. I use these all of the time. I literally, whether I'm traveling or whether I'm home, I pack my meals in these containers and I eat them straight out of here. So again, guys, these are just kind of a few quick tips to kind of set yourself up for success for the week by preparing your food in bulk, by having containers ready to go, having a bag ready to transport your food with. That way, when you're running out, you're like, oh shit, I have a meeting, I gotta meet John or Mary or whatever you need to do. You literally can run to the refrigerator, get your Tupperware out, pack your meals, throw them in your bag, and you're out the door. Super fast, super effective, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overthink it. A lot of you guys out there, and I'm talking to every single one of y'all that prep your food, the meal, or at the time of the meal, You don't need to cook the meals right at a time, guys. Take your food, prepare them out throughout the week, have them done in bulk. I'm telling you, the stress that it reduces is insane, and it literally keeps things super streamlined for the week. So that's just a little quick video on kind of what I do for my foods for the week. I hope this helps you guys. I hope this puts a little bit of value into kind of, your system for meal prepping. If you guys have any questions, as always, drop me a comment below, shoot me a DM, hit me up on any one of my platforms. I love talking to y'all. I love making sure that you guys have all the information you need to succeed. So again, thank you guys. Need anything, let me know. Super excited about all this. Welcome to the district.